Hello, I'm Dr. James, a specialist in nutrition and preventive medicine here in the United States. Today, we're going to discuss a topic that impacts almost every modern household: ultra-processed foods. They're convenient, they taste great, but they may also pose serious health risks you might not be aware of. First, let's define what ultra-processed foods actually are. These are products that have gone through multiple industrial processing steps, often containing ingredients you'd never find in a typical home kitchen: preservatives, artificial flavors, colorings, and refined sugars. They're designed for long shelf life, intense flavor, and low cost, but they're stripped of many essential nutrients. Statistics show that in the U.S., ultra-processed foods make up over 55% of the daily calories for adults. And for children, that number rises to 62%. This means the majority of our energy comes from nutrient-poor, calorie-dense foods. Why is this a concern? Because they're not just nutrient deficient. They're overloaded with added sugars, sodium, and unhealthy fats, all of which increase the risk of obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and certain cancers. Recent studies also link diets high in ultra-processed foods to a greater risk of depression and anxiety. So why are we eating so many ultra-processed foods? First, convenience. Cooking from scratch takes time. Second, wishtayim. Processed products are often cheaper than fresh produce. Third, marketing. They're heavily promoted and designed to appeal to us. I'm not saying you have to cut them out completely. What's important is reducing and balancing. A helpful guideline is the 80-20 rule. 80% of your diet from fresh, whole foods, and 20% from processed items. Read nutrition labels. If the ingredient list is long with many unpronounceable chemicals, it's likely an ultra-processed food. Limit sodas, sweetened teas, and sugary drinks. They're also ultra-processed. Beyond diet, stay active, at least 30 minutes daily. You can also meal prep, cook healthy meals in advance so you're not forced into fast food on busy days. Ultra-processed foods aren't the enemy, but over-reliance on them will have consequences. Start small. Swap one snack for fresh fruit, cut sugary drinks, add more vegetables to your meals. Ask yourself, is this food nourishing my body or just filling my stomach? When you shift that mindset, you take back control of your health. I'm Dr. James. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Health for more science-based tips to help you live a healthier life every day.